There is a stark new warning about changing the Supreme Court, and it's coming from one of the court's justices. NBC News Justice correspondent Pete Williams joins us now. Pete, what's the message here?
Well, the message is as interesting as the messenger, who is Stephen Breyer, the oldest member of the U.S. Supreme Court. And he is basically a warning against trying to put more justices on the court. As you may know, many Democrats have said that more Supreme Court justices should be added to counteract the conservative lean of the court because of President Trump's 3 nominees. President Biden has been somewhat cool to this, saying he's not a fan of court packing. But Justice Breyer says the reason the Supreme Court is something that is trusted in American life is that it's not viewed as political. He says, and this is a favorite subject of his, why do people obey Supreme Court decisions? The lower courts have to, but why does the public accept them, given that the court doesn't have any power to spend money, it doesn't have a military to enforce its rulings? And he says it's because the court has for decades built up public trust, and he says that would be jeopardized if the court is seen as merely political, which he fears would be the outcome if more justices are added just to change the ideological makeup of the court.
Well, Pete, you also referenced the justice's age, and that's something that Democrats have been sort of zeroing in on as of late and thinking about the future of the court, right?
Very much so. What some Democrats and liberal activists have said here is that Justice Breyer should take a page from what happened with Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who stayed on the court into the Trump administration, and her successor was nominated by President Trump. What the Democrats are saying is Justice Breyer should step down now when his term ends, when this term ends, while there's still a Democrat in the White House and while the Democrats still control the Senate. I should say that in this roughly 2-hour speech at Harvard, Justice Breyer gave no hint about his plans.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.